So this is a little demo of the Luxonis Oak depth camera. It has two black and white, it's kind of hard to see it here, two black and white cameras on either side and a color in the middle. The black and white are used for depth and the color is for filling it out. So this is the camera, and I've hooked it up to my MacBook Air M1, and this is what it's showing. So the camera's seeing this chair over here, and I checked it earlier, and it's within about 10 centimeters accuracy. So it sees the chair and potted plants. It seems to like potted plants. So this is how it's working. It's actually doing this at 30 frames a second at 1080p, and the activity on my M1 is, well, it's kind of hard to see it here. It's using 67% of one of the processors. I have 8 on my MacBook Air. So the net is, we're using about 12% of the compute power of my MacBook Air doing this process. So the computer, the display that comes out shows X is the up-down angle, Y is left-right, and Z is the distance. So that comes out of the Depth AI software directly, and there's a lot of kinds of interfaces to it. But this would allow the robot, first of all, to be trained on the targets, and then second of all, to be put into a model so that the camera would say the target is at the X, Y, and Z from the current robot position. Anyway, it's a pretty interesting gadget. The Mac M1 has got a lot of horsepower, and the M4 is quite a bit more powerful.